Hey, it's Kelly from paperbeadrollers.com. I have been having such a fun time making these beautiful snowflake ornaments. I did a live show the other day selling them in person, and then I did a live show on Whatnot. Now, snowflake kits are back in stock, so let's take a look at what you get in the box.
You can purchase these kits in gold, white, or silver tone at paperbeadrollers.com. Just as snowflakes are each unique in nature, each kit contains different items, so each ornament will be unique. If you'd like to make matching paper bead snowflake ornaments, you can purchase the snowflake centers or frame holders at paperbeadrollers.com in packs of 10. Then, you can use your own supplies to make matching sets of ornaments for your tree. In the kit, you'll find 14 3/4-inch paper strips. You'll also get 7 1/2-inch paper strips. These strips are hand cut from wallpaper samples that contain shiny gold and silver or white colors. You'll get 12 focal beads or bead caps that are a little bit shinier and fancier. And you'll get 18 spacers of different types. There are 3 6-inch lengths of wire that are looped at one end, a clear string to hang the ornament from, and 1 snowflake center frame holder to put it all together. You'll also get access to the Snowflake Ornament course, which you'll find on your dashboard in your paperbeadrollers.com account.
Now, if you didn't create an account when you purchased your kit at paperbeadrollers.com, that's okay. All you need to do is go back to the website, create a free account, and then email me at contact@paperbeadrollers.com, and I will be sure to add the snowflake class to your dashboard.
To use the snowflake centers, build the first arm of your snowflake. Slide the center on through any of the holes. Then add the beads to the other side of the wire. When you're done and you're sure you love the design, use needle nose pliers to loop the end tightly to the beads. Put the other arms together the same way and your snowflake is finished. You can watch it sparkle in the light of your Christmas tree. Make sure to like this video and share with another crafter you know will love this project. Subscribe to my channel for paper bead tutorials, and until the next time, happy rolling!